Your paycheck is a soldier. It must fight for your future life. Most people let capital sleep. You must build a fortress of wealth. True freedom starts today. Let every single dollar sweat for your goals. Stop feeding the vultures. Every cent is bloodshed for your greatness. Discipline is the forge. Your bank account reflects your midnight grit. Compound interest is weight. Sacrifice comfort to build a sanctuary for tomorrow. Your salary is marble. Carve away waste until solid power finally remains. Precision changes the game. Transform a slow crawl into a winning sprint. Passive income is tied. The chains of debt break under your control. Your money works harder. Every paycheck is now a very loyal soldier.